I also YouTube. It's 4:17 right now. Finna leave, finna go to Florida right now.
Two damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke them swishers, ho. If you hit my liquor store, it's 50 cents for single post. Said she wanna roll with me and smoke up on my weed. I said no.
I also YouTube. We finna walk to the terminal right now. It's like 5 something. Plane leaves at 6:30. Got my bag. I got some homework to do really. But you know, I'm Gerald Story. I am the homework.
Love me. Oh, I need someone to 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 love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to 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 love me when
all doors disarmed.
The doors are verified. Alright, thank you. See you. The whole time, so yeah. What? You gonna say something to the vlog?
To the law.
To the vlog. It's like Snapchat. It's actually a hurricane gonna come to Florida soon, bro. So yeah. But you know, my dad right now, he tweaking on the phone, talk to my sister. I don't like really vlogging, cause everybody like, they be staring at you and stuff, so.
Oh, okay, so you know.
It fell off.
water bottle. What are you doing here?
So now you do. We out in Florida. I don't know if we can do that. Probably get something to eat. But day one vlog. Barry Can about to die actually. Look busted, but yeah.
Bartender who is right no matter what.
Oh, really?
But her right hand is so weak. She can't even hold them. First started working. And making the burgers not hard. You gotta make sure it's cooked. That stuff was so not cooked.
Right.
Are you okay?
But you know, charge it.
You gotta like double chin. No, but you choose my sister right now. That hoes right now. But yeah, I heard back. Thanks.
You want to see the picture inside, Joe?
What's it?
Picture inside here.
Oh, you know, first time at food is YouTube. You know, I said the food out of 10, I give like a 6 so far because those nachos, it was like kind of plain. Well, I'm gonna try this boneless wings and whatever. This movie, it's pretty good, you know, but Hooters overall, you know.
I'll let
Like,
the hotel right by where it is.
What's up, YouTube? This is the truth about Hooters. It's trash. So you know, subscribe right now. And yeah, we actually right next to the Daytona track. It's right up there. This is the Daytona Hooters. Pretty good. I know, that's what I'm saying. It's a track right there. So yeah, we're right in front of the Daytona track. It's actually a really big track. It just don't seem like it on TV, but it's actually really big. But Daytona Beach sign over there. On there. Alright, so now I have to switch cameras because my camera died, but you can see Hurricane Matthew got people out here snatching food as if it's a holiday or something. Do you see all these ramen noodles and all that gone? You know, we trying to stack up, but like we came a little late. So yeah. Bro, look at all these shelves. Gone. No type. Look at all these aisles. No type of soups and everything. They was not planning with this hurricane, was they? Soup and cracker sales. 2 and 4. The Purge. Well, those clowns remind me of the Purge. They got sales and stuff just for the hurricane.
It's gonna be for a day or so. Yeah.
Oh, we eat a lot.
See,
I'm buying this for the hotel room.
Oh.
see? Now look at
I thought we just put stuff in there. Alright.
Let me need something.
They knocking everything out for 3 for $6. Some fruit. They knocking out some mozzarella. So they knocking out all types of stuff. Day of the hurricane, some canned fish and all that. But the day of the hurricane, they knocking everything out. Pineapple, so definitely not lit.
Put it back in your room.
If that's the case, let's just go ahead.
They got crackers out too. Like I said, day of the hurricane, they just maxing out.
And don't nobody want no coffee or tea, I see.
Cause coffee and tea is not gonna keep. Oh, you see this? Look at this, G. This is all them breakfast things. Bread. They maxed out. They maxed out on snacks too. These people on Florida, they prepared. They maxing out on everything out here. They not maxing out on these granola bars though.
No, they're crunchy.
Oh. Look at all these bags of chips and gone. Eating
I
everything
got
up.
4 big candles in my room I just bought.
Oh, look at these. Maxed out on the nuts as well. They're not playing in here. They're not playing. They're not playing in Florida. You know, we got our hurricane supply. They ran out of flashlights. They ran out of water as well. They ran out of a lot of things at Target. Walmart's the same. So we're finna try these other places for the things in here. My camera died, so I'm using my phone right now. So the criteria. I do not drink, so don't look at the beers. Aren't you underage to drink?
She's 21.
Okay, never mind. But yeah, we got soup, a couple granola bars, chips, and yeah, sardines. But it should be a success. So yeah, hopefully, if the hurricane does hit, I could go outside and record it, and right there, I could then sell my film to the news. And yeah. Target line is kind of packed. So yeah.
Running over my toe.
What you say?
At Target.
Target was a success. If you hear a lot of cars, because the racetrack is right in front of Target. You see the racetrack right there? It's low-key huge, like in person, but in picture it don't look that big. But let's get in the car and break the hurricane.
Are evacuating. There's a hotel right here by our apartment. It's a company. It's a nice hotel. Yeah.
It's crazy, and what's the Home Depot? People asking for generators ASAP. It's crazy.
Was that you messaging me or was that her? Okay, Rob said that she's been crying and calling him saying that he's coming. Okay.
Everybody here, they're grabbing wood, asking for generators, asking for flashlights.
Step out the way.
You know, Home Depot, they actually ran out of their stuff. They getting a new truck in a little bit for generators. We don't need a generator because we don't live in Florida. But we're finna buy this flashlight. They got a new truck coming with flashlights soon too. But yeah, everybody at Home Depot is going crazy. She said that they ran out of a lot of their stuff at like 7 a.m. So it's kind of crazy right now.
We got some.
My head messed up.
Yeah, we're right next to the hotel. We're at Home Depot.
So yeah, going to our hotel now for the hurricane.
First floor.
Right now in the hotel. We got to the hotel a couple hours ago, but I took a nap and I edited some videos. Halfway done through the day. Hurricane's coming tomorrow. The news talking about everything about the hurricane, but the hurricane needs to be ready for me. Hurricane Gerald. That's the real hurricane. Hurricane Matthew, that ain't about nothing. But we finna go out to eat, go back to my sister's apartment, and yeah. I don't know how long this vlog finna be, but yeah. Hurricane Matthew. But if y'all like vlogs like this, I might post this to my vlog channel or the main channel. But this is the day of the hurricane or the day before the hurricane. I probably won't get no footage of the actual hurricane being outside because I'm not that big. If I was like a little bigger, muscular, and I had that type of experience like that, like I'll probably do it. And then I'll probably sell the footage to news stations. But show y'all a quick peek in my hotel room, I guess, with my mom and dad. Alright, so this is the dang, this is the bathroom. The fit's kind of bogus, so don't judge my fit. Y'all look so better in mirrors. Like, don't you know how like you look better in mirrors than you look in something else? Dang, my line messed up too. I might do my line later. But yeah, you know, bathroom pretty nice. All white. I think like Hotel bathrooms, of course, they're the nicest. That's the bathroom everybody wants pretty much. But yeah, I'll take y'all tour around. Yeah, we got a little mini fridge, microwave, a mirror, bogus fit like I said. Krispy Kreme donuts, CrossFit, a pull-out couch, 2 beds. The news they were just talking about the hurricane. Hurricane 3 maximum sustained winds 120. We're in Daytona Beach, so that's like one of the best spots. So what y'all say to the vlog?
Dang, you're all in my face. Hey. You're so on top of me. That sucks.
Alright, first person to guess how many inches is her forehead, I will via PayPal you $5.
Right here. Just walking, and then he starts getting closer, so he turns around, starts running, but he's not like hit.
I don't know y'all know, but Chrysler 200 was named the worst mid-size seating of the year, but it still looks nice though outside. Alright, let's go. Finna go out to eat. We gotta clean the back of the car though. So her car kind of dirty.
I charged mine.
We're finna go inside this Chinese place or whatever. You know, it's called Takara, I think. And yeah, I'm finna give y'all a little food network in a little bit. Oh, I haven't even looked at the menu yet. Got some shrimp, got this, well.
Oh, you got chicken and shrimp right here, sir? Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. Just really hot, okay? Oh, the steak and cheese. Shrimp and salmon for you, man. That's good. Shrimp and salmon right here, Oh, there we go.
Back toward Florida sometime later on next week. But let's focus on what we're dealing with right now. Here's the cone or the probable path this will take. You can see the deviation is quite wide still. We are under a tropical storm warning for those into Sumter and also into Lake County. Hurricane warnings up and down the coastline as hurricane conditions are expected within 36 hours. And here's the wind field. The yellow shows you.
I got draws in Atlanta. He's like a little kid. The room went pretty nice, like I said. Yeah, I got that pull-out couch. You can pull out couch, get some Krispy Kreme right here. Sink. So yeah, our room pretty nice, bathroom pretty nice. But yeah, Holiday Inn, pretty good. Big TV, nice. I like the way the house set up. This is one of the nicer hotels I've stayed in a while. Cause you know, or you gotta go with the best budget, like cheap ones. But it's pretty nice though. We'll probably go to Orlando tomorrow. Cause it's not gonna get hit by the hurricane, but it might get hit a little bit. So yeah. What's next? Alright, so Dad, this is how it's gonna go down. I'm on that bed, Mommy's on that bed, and you're on this bed. I'm on that bed, Mommy on that bed, and you're right here.
Warnings, 1.4 million Americans under hurricane watch. And then as for tropical storm conditions, an additional 5 million of you could see tropical storm force winds. And the tropical storm force warnings are in play there. Evacuations got underway earlier today in South Carolina and the Lake Country. Some 250,000 people in the Charleston and Beaufort areas.
Lobo. Okay.
I know you want this for life, taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no wife.